Alright, welcome back to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel, everybody. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to install Megumin Explosion magic sound for Helldivers 2. So it just is her yelling explosion when the Hell Bomb or the Nuke the Nursery or the Hell Bomb backpack or even the, the 500 kilogram go off in the game. So we're going to install that today. So the first thing you're going to need to do to install this mod is to install the Helldivers 2 mod manager. You can just look up the HD2ModManager, or I will put the link to this in the video description below. So we're just going to go to manual download, hit slow download, and then I've got a folder here in my downloads folder, and I'm just going to download it to my Helldivers 2 modding folder. Alright, once that's done downloading, I'm going to extract it to a file of the same name. And then I'm going to rename this HD2 Mod Manager without a bunch of garbled numbers, just so it's easier to recognize. I'm going to delete this old one. And then I'm going to make a folder to store all of the mods in that I will eventually download after this one. So inside the Mod Manager folder is a bunch of these DLLs, and then the Helldiver 2 Mod Manager application itself. Go ahead and give that one a double click, and it should open up a window that looks like this. So you can install this and download this anywhere on your computer. It doesn't matter. It can be in your downloads folder, it can be on your desktop, it can be on another hard drive altogether from where you have Helldivers installed. All you have to do, though, is to go to settings, and then tell it where you have Helldivers installed on your computer. So we're going to click these three little buttons on the right-hand side of the blank rectangle, and then we're going to open up Steam. Inside of Steam, where we have our Helldivers 2 installed, I'm going to right-click it. I'm going to go to Manage and Browse Local Files. It's going to take me right to where Helldivers is installed. And then here at the top of the screen, I'm going to click on the address bar, so it shows the proper full address of where this is located. I'm going to select it, hit Control-C to copy it. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to close Steam. And then here in the window where it's searching for Helldivers, I'm going to paste that into the top of the screen and hit Enter on my keyboard, and then there it is. It's ready to go. Now just click Select Folder in the lower right-hand corner. Then you're good. You could hit OK, and the Mod Manager is ready to accept mods. From here, we're going to go back to the Explosion mod, and I'm going to go and I'm going to download the files associated with this. So there's a bunch of different versions, so let's look at what's available. So this is the version without the 500 kilogram, if you just want like the original sound that only covers hell bombs. You've also got the Magic Combination 1.2 version, and then there's an optional files down here where you can separately install each individual one if you would prefer. I'm just going to get the pack because I want all of the cool sounds, and I'm going to use the manual download because we're going to be using the Helldivers 2 Mod Manager and not Vortex. From what I understand, Vortex doesn't work super great for this. Then I'm going to save this to the mods folder that I create, the mods, and I'm going to click Save. It's a pretty small file. It's only like 23 megabytes, so it's not too big a deal. It's right here. Now I'm just going to open back up my Helldivers Mod Manager, and I'm going to add from the mods folder. I'm going to double click on the Magic Combination sound pack, and then boom, there it is. So basically the way that this works is you just click and add all of the different mods that you want to download and have enabled for Helldivers 2, and you can have a boatload of them if you want. And then all you have to do to enable or disable them, in case you feel like one might be broken and causing crashing issues, is you just uncheck them from the list, or check them to turn them back on. And you can remove them by clicking the trash can icon, obviously. From here, I'm going to click Deploy, and then that's going to get all of the ones that are selected ready to load into Helldivers when I click Launch Helldivers 2, which I'm going to do right now. You have to launch through the Mod Manager Helldivers, or else you won't have access to any of your mods. If you launch through Steam, It'll only load the vanilla version of the game without any of the cool fancy stuff. So I'm going to hit launch, and let's see what this does. Okay, let's see what this sounds like when we throw the 500 kilogram.
Delivering payload.
There it is. You can hear the explosion sound. And then let's grab the hell bomb. It sounds like I just invited some friends for dinner.
Clear the area.
Yeah, there you have it. So, that's the Megumi Explosion sound pack for you. It sounds pretty cool, and actually I got a pretty good chuckle out of that. I should probably go back and finish that anime. It was really funny. I think they have a new season out now. Or probably more than one. I only got through season 2. So yeah, that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you install the Megumi Magic's Combination mod pack for all of the voice lines for her yelling explosion from Konosuba. I hope you found this helpful, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.